Okay, and this gentleman is kind enough to show us the engine that he just built.
That is a pretty
The
engine.
plastic gear just got messed up on it.
That's a pretty
Oh yeah, I
engine.
see the starter.
Yeah. It's supposed to have a metal gear. They shortchanged us.
Wow.
But this is the new one.
That is a beautiful piece of work too.
It is.
Thank you. Whoops.
Sarah, don't touch that, please.
This
That's
is
a pretty engine.
That is.
Isn't that nice? That's a beauty.
And you guys fabricate all of this stuff right here, huh?
I made everything, yeah.
That's incredible.
Making everything right here.
Look at tiny little stairs.
That is incredible.
Safety first.
How are you supposed to get up that stair?
Safety first, that says.
How are people supposed to get up that stair?
I
Imagination.
can. Woo!